Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a bouncy camera. It's my phone. Hopefully you guys can hear me quite well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the 4th of July. It was actually yesterday. So I actually took that Friday off and did some appointments and also went and did some shopping as well. And I just wanted to show you a couple of things. So you guys will see me in this gear, this setup 3 different times. This time around, I'm going to just do the beauty supply haul really quick. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer so far. How are things going? Is anyone so far doing this back to school shopping thing yet? I haven't, and I'm not planning to do it anytime soon. So I went to the beauty supply store because I ran out of one product and ended up buying a bunch of stuff because I was there, and I'm normally not there often. Sorry for the noise. So when I do finally make it out there, which is every maybe 6 months, because I'm really good at not trying to go out there, I did spend $48.03 there, and I'm going to show you the items that I picked up. Picked up a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. I feel like 10 or 11 items. I just scanned it really fast. So hopefully you guys enjoy the little haul that I have going on for the beauty supply store. I went and got 2 of these combs. Again, every time I go there, I have to pick these up because I comb all, out of the 3 kids, I combed 2 of my sons. They decided they wanted to grow out their hair. Well, it was always one, which was the middle child. Since birth, we've never cut his hair, but the oldest decided that he wanted his hair to grow out. So I've been doing twist out, and his hair is really thick like mine. And he broke the comb that the other combs like this. I had like a total of 4 of these all over the house, and they're all broken. So I just decided to pick those up because I passed the aisle. I picked up also the Healing, Cleansing, Nourishing African Black Soap for $3.99. I think these combs were $1.49 each. You know, everything in the beauty supply is a little bit expensive compared to online. But I kind of wanted to get everything all in one shot without going online to get every individual thing. So that's what I did. I got this black soap, which helps with healing, cleansing, and nourishing. I haven't had a black soap in a long time, so I'm just happy to have this back just to help with nourishing the body. I picked up a whole different kind, so hopefully this one is pretty cool. This one has no animal fat, no chemicals, no artificial flavors, and this was $3.99. Definitely keep you posted on how this went. I have a class, my 20th year class reunion is coming up. I kind of have an idea of how I want my hair to look, and I'm going to have a nice little bun, and I have picked up these cute little gold trims to put around a style that I'm gonna have, and some clips for the ends because I'm gonna have my hair out. Some of it, not all of it, but some of my natural hair will be out, and then I'll have some clip-ons. Hopefully I'll find it. I actually went to the beauty supply to see if they had clip-ons. Didn't even know what I was talking about, so I'm gonna have to go online and see if I can find clip-on natural hair that I could just add onto my hair without trying to glue it, sew it, or do any of those other things to my scalp. Also picked up the Palmer Skin Success, the Expert Skin Tone Since 1840 Anti-Acne Medicated Complex Bar. I didn't know they had this, so it wasn't something that I was going to go ahead and pick out. It was very random. I'm sorry for the brightness. I just picked that up I just pick up a lot of soap when I get there. This is to clear out acne blemishes, gently remove impurities, and unclog pores. Definitely going to see if this helps my husband and his back during the summer. It gets really bad. Also picked up the Palmer Skin Success Anti-Dark Spots Complex Bar for all skin types. So this is for me, I picked this one up for myself for like under my eyes and some areas here in my neck area. I doubt it worked, but we'll see how it goes. I do like the Palmer brand a lot. And this was $2.99. They're both $2.99. Both are $2.99. And these little gold pieces here, these things were $1.49 each. Tell you they're expensive out there at these beauty supply stores, so that's why they don't see me often. Also got the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco, Perfect Edges in black. Remember I told you I was going to be doing the reunion. I'm going to be pulling my hair back on the top to have a nice little bun. Hopefully I'll take pictures and vlogs so I can show you guys. It's going to be in August, so I'm really excited to see how this product works. Also got the Wild Growth Hair Oil. I finished this a while ago and just never went to go pick it up, so I just grabbed it. And this was for $7.99. It's like probably one of the most expensive products I did pick up, but that is one that it's a must-have, must-get kind of product. I also got the Do Grow Triple Strength Growth Detangler Anti-Breakage Formula. It instantly eliminates tangles and adds shine to help prevent hair damage, safe and relax. Natural and braided hair, jojoba oil, olive oil, and vitamin formulas promote strong, healthy growing health. So everything that it says, hopefully it does work. Because I read this and I was like, this is what I need. Hopefully it's able to deliver the information that is listed here. And this was $5.99. And the last item I got is the Fantasia Icy Pure Tea Silk Gel Moisturizer Activator. Never had an activator before. It's a gel activator. Hydrogenates Solidose de Peru. And it goes into a whole other language. Hair and scalp conditioner. Instantly moisturizes, strengthens, and softens and shines for relaxed, color treated, and dry and damaged hair. My hair is semi-damaged, so I'm going to try to save it. And hopefully this helps a lot. And this was for $5.99. Alright, and that was my small beauty supply haul. I'm still on the hunt for one more product for this reunion, which will be the hair extensions for the back. So hopefully y'all pray for me, help me figure out how to find these hair extensions, hair clips that are not going to cost me an arm and a leg. And that is it. I'll keep you guys posted. You guys enjoy the rest of your summer, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.